Top 10 cooking utensils. Set number 1 material, silicone. Color, khaki. Brand, Umite Chef item. Weight, 4.47 pounds. Number of pieces, 34 is dishwasher safe. Yes. Package dimensions, 13.39 inches, 6.3 inches, 6.1 inches. Manufacturer, Umite Chef. Asin, B0C991 SKFS. Customer reviews, 4.5 out of 5 stars with 389 ratings. Bestsellers rank, #1 406 in kitchen and dining. See top 100 in kitchen and dining. #10 in cooking utensil sets. Date first available, June 25th, 2023. The Umite Chef Silicone Kitchen.
Number 2. Material, silicone. Color, black brand, Aothod. Size, 14x4, 5x4. 7 product dimensions, 14, L, 4.5 W item. Weight, 2.7 pounds. Number of pieces, 14 is dishwasher. Safe, no handle material. Silicone item. Weight, 2.7 pounds. Manufacturer, Kitcook Jamun, Asin, B088, DGBRMC. Country of origin, China. Item model number. Cooking utensils. Black customer reviews, 4.6 out of 5 stars, 12,430 ratings. Bestsellers rank, #334 in kitchen and dining, #2 in cooking utensil sets. Date first available, June 18th, 2020. The silicone cooking utensils set by Aothod is a high-quality kitchen utensil set that provides excellent performance in the kitchen. Made from durable and heat-resistant silicone material, these utensils are designed to withstand temperatures of up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal for all your cooking needs.
Number 3. Product review. The silicone kitchen cooking utensils, set with stainless steel handle, spatula set utensil set, cooking by Beck Bold DF, is a high-quality kitchen tool set designed to enhance your cooking experience. With its stainless steel handle and silicone material, this kitchen utensil set offers durability and functionality. The utensil set comes in a stylish gray color that seamlessly blends into any kitchen decor. The small size and dimensions of the product make it easy to handle and store. Weighing just 3 pounds, it is lightweight, allowing for effortless maneuverability while cooking. The set includes 11 essential pieces that cover a wide range of cooking needs. From spatulas to spoons and turners, this set has all the tools you need to tackle any recipe. The variety of utensils ensures versatility and convenience in the kitchen. One standout feature of this product is its sturdy stainless steel handles. The handles provide a comfortable grip and are heat resistant.
Number 4. Material, stainless steel, silicone. Color, gray brand, Beck Bold DF. Size, small product dimensions, 13.7, L, 3.2, W item. Weight, 3.04 pounds. Number of pieces, 11 is dishwasher. Safe, no handle material. Stainless steel. Manufacturer, Beck Bold DF. Asin, B07, YCXEV 8K. Country of origin, China. Customer reviews, 4.6 out of 5 stars. 1,852 ratings. Bestsellers rank.
Number 5. Product review. The Home Hero. 54 PCs, stainless steel kitchen utensils. Set is an exceptional addition to any kitchen. With its extensive range of utensils, this set provides everything you need for your cooking needs. Made from stainless steel, these utensils are not only durable but also resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. The 54-piece set comes with a utensil holder, providing both organization and convenience in your kitchen. One of the key advantages of this product is the non-stick feature. The stainless steel utensils are designed to be non-stick, making cooking and cleaning up a breeze. They glide effortlessly over your cookware, preventing any scratching or damage. The size of the set is also worth mentioning, as it offers a comprehensive selection of.
Number 6 material, silicone. Color, khaki brand, Aothod. Size, 14x4, 5x4, 7 product dimensions, 14, L, 4.5, W item. Weight, 2.7 pounds. Number of pieces, 14 is dishwasher. Safe, yes, handle material. Silicone item. Weight, 2.7 pounds. Manufacturer, Jamun. Asin, B08VJ1, LDFH. Country of origin, China. Item model. Number, silicone cooking utensils. Set customer reviews, 4.6 out of 5 stars, 12,430 ratings. Bestsellers rank, Hash 334 in kitchen and dining. See top 100 in kitchen and dining. Hash 2 in cooking utensil sets. Date first available, February 1st, 2021. These silicone cooking utensils from Aothod are a versatile and essential addition to any kitchen. Made from high-quality silicone, these utensils are heat-resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable. Khaki brand, Aothod. Size, 14x4, 5x4, 7 product dimensions, 14, L 4.5, W item. Weight, 2.7 pounds, number of pieces, 14 is dishwasher. Safe, yes, handle material, silicone item. Weight, 2.7 pounds. Manufacturer, Jamun. Asin, B08VJ1, LDFH, country of origin, China item model. Number, silicone cooking utensils. Set customer reviews, 4.6 out of 5 stars, 12,430 ratings. Best sellers rank, hash 334 in kitchen and dining. See top 100 in kitchen and dining. Hash 2 in cooking utensil sets. Date first available, February 1st, 2021. These silicone cooking utensils from Aothod are a versatile and essential addition to any kitchen. Made from high-quality silicone, these utensils are heat-resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for all your cooking needs. With a sleek and elegant design, these utensils are not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. The khaki color adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen.
Number 8. Product information. Material stainless steel, silicone color, khaki brand, Utensil, size 14.65, 4x4, 48 in product dimensions, 14 L 4.6 W item. Weight, 3.15 pounds, number of pieces, 18 is dishwasher safe. Yes, handle material, stainless steel manufacturer, Utensil, Asin, B088DDHBS3, country of origin, China item model number, silicone kitchen utensil sets. Customer reviews, 4.6 out of 5 stars, 5,954 ratings. Best sellers rank, hash 1, 782 in kitchen and dining. See top 100 in kitchen and dining. Hash 13 in cooking utensil sets. Date first available, May 9th, 2020. This large silicone cooking utensil set by Utensil is a must-have for any passionate home cook or professional chef. With its high-quality materials and versatile range of utensils, it offers exceptional value and functionality for your kitchen needs. One of the standout features of this set is the combination of stainless steel and silicone materials. The stainless steel handles provide durability and a sturdy grip, while the silicone.
Number 9. Material: silicone wood color, khaki brand, Utensil, size, large product dimensions, 14 L4W item. Weight, 2.8 pounds, number of pieces, 14 is dishwasher. Safe, no handle material, wood item. Weight, 2.8 pounds, manufacturer, Utensil, Asin, B07TTP2 SP6, country of origin, China item model number, silicone kitchen utensils. Customer reviews, 4.5 out of 5 stars, 14,045 ratings. Best sellers rank, hash 652 in kitchen and dining, hash 4 in cooking utensil sets. Date first available, July 26, 2019. In the competitive world of kitchen tools and utensils, the silicone.
Number 10. Product review. Kitchen utensils. Set. Umite Chef. 34 pieces. Silicone cooking utensils set for non-stick cookware. Silicone. The Umite Chef. 34-piece silicone cooking utensils. Set is a versatile and practical kitchen tool collection that offers a wide range of utensils for all your cooking needs. With its black color and sleek design, this set not only adds elegance to your kitchen, but also provides functionality. One of the key features of this product is its high-quality silicone material. The silicone material used in these utensils is food-grade and non-toxic, ensuring the safety of your cooking. It is also heat-resistant,
Which utensil set is a comprehensive